Approvals are an integral part of the nTree ecosystem. If the desired user has access to this module and are assigned an approvals license to them in the Enable Us app maintenance screen, they should see the approvals tile in the dashboard on their nTree app or in the nTree side menu. Clicking on the approvals tile in the dashboard or selecting it from the side menu will bring up a listing of all approvals in your nTree system which are assigned to the currently logged in user. Let's start from the top. Under the main approvals requests header, you will see a scrollable horizontal listing of approval statuses. When a user clicks on one of these statuses, the listing will filter down based on the approval status. If the user selects pending, the list will show any approval waiting to be approved. If the user selects yes, this means the approval has been approved in the app, approved, or otherwise completing the approval process. If the no filter is selected, the listing shows any approvals that have been rejected. Error filters any approval that has had an exception when processed by nTree. The All button shows all approval items. When you select one of these status filters, the next filter will automatically build. This filter is the approval type and refers to the object type in nTree the user wants to approve. This could be a timesheet, purchase order, leave request, or any other object in nTree that needs approval. Clicking on these will filter the listing and auto-build the next filter. Each filter is specific to the approval type. As an example, if you have selected leave request, then the next filter will be the person who has requested the leave. Or if you have picked timesheet, then it will filter by the requester and a further filter will appear for week ending date. Let's look at the listing. An approval list item has two parts, the left-hand coloured status box, and to the right of that, the approval type. This consists of a header, the approval text, and the last time it was modified at the bottom. The approval text in each item corresponds to the generic approval text against the approval item in nTree. This can be customized by the Workflow Rule Class Maintenance screen in nTree. To approve or reject one of these items, you can open up this item from the list, peruse the details, and click the Approve or Reject buttons to the bottom of the form. You can also inspect more details by going to the Details tab on the bottom if you have an iOS device, or on the top if you have an Android device. In this Details tab, you will see the other approvers for this approval, their approval statuses, and other supplementary details like whether they can override the approval or not. Another form item is the Attachments tab. If you have Enable Us R1029 or above, you can view the attachments that are associated to the item you are approving through this tab. If you want to know more about attachments, view the Attachments video. When you approve or reject the approval item, you can enter a narration in the narration box at the very top. At the bottom, you can enter a signature if you wish, where indicated to sign. This signature will be a screenshot of this app, which will then be saved against the item that you are trying to approve in your nTree system. You can also approve multiple items by going to the approval listing and clicking on the checkbox against each item you want to approve or reject. Once you have made your selection, just click the tick or the cross buttons in the header to approve or reject.